We were founded in 1994, and we are a privately owned fabless company. We are experts in digital communication and semiconductors. Having more than 25 years of experience, we have developed our DC bus technology, which enables communication over noisy DC power lines. These semiconductors are already sold worldwide. So what is the actual problem? YAMAR is aimed to solve one of the biggest problems in many applications: the wiring, the wires, the communication wires, the control wires, as they are heavy, expensive, bulky, unreliable, and of course adding to the overall pollution. The DC bus solution tackled this problem by using the existing power lines, not only for powering, but also for data transfer. This is done seamlessly by interfacing to an off-the-shelf protocols without adding any application layers whatsoever. Our unique semiconductors merge LIN protocol, CAN, UART, DMX for lighting, for example, over the power lines. We are able to operate on a wide range of battery lines voltage. It can be 6 volt or even 700 volt, as in electrical vehicle platform, for example. Moreover, we can have multiple network of communication on a single power line. Each one of the sub-network will work on a different carrier frequency, and they will all coexist together. They can work in a different protocol layer. We don't care. A new international standard based on YAMAR's technology has been published, led by YAMAR. It was joined with GM, Denso, and others for replacing the existing LIN bus wires in a vehicle platform in the automotive industry with the LIN over power line communication, which will replace those LIN wires using the vehicle battery lines, instead conveying the LIN data over the existing lines. So how we do it? At one side, we are interfacing a host. The host can be a CAN host, a UART host, a SPI host even. And on the other side, we are coupling to the power line, any power line whatsoever, using a small capacitor. As such, we don't care what is the voltage of the power line. Any data transmitted from the host side will be modulated over the power line using a small level sine wave in a certain frequency. This data will then broadcast to all connected devices over the power line, and the data will be output seamlessly. Obviously, when we are talking about the power line, it can be very noisy. Our modulation will ride on the power line with the spikes of the noise. This noise can create an error zones. However, we specially designed our semiconductors for the automotive industry and others to be robust for this very noisy and harsh environment, by having also a built-in error correction code that will seamlessly fix any error zone whatsoever and transfer the data seamlessly to the outputs without any errors. Our product is built from two families, the SIG family and the DCB family. Both of them share the same idea. Power line transceivers that seamlessly transfer any data from the host layer onto the power line, broadcasting to all connected nodes. The SIG family is interfacing a UART and LIN protocol up to 115 kilobit per second, where the DCB family can also interface SPI, I2C, CAN, DMX, and UART also, up to 1.4 megabit per second. Our business is essentially to sell our ICs around the world, along with tool for quick and efficient evaluation by our customers. We also do custom projects per customer any demand. The customer can decide to have an application which is based on YAMAR technology, but without any capabilities to do the whole product. We do a whole product also. And of course, we are always working hard on the next generation technologies. Until now, we have customers over 50 countries worldwide. 45% of them are in Europe, 21% in China and Asia, 28 are in the States. 40% of them are in the automotive industry. It can be a vehicle platform, electrical vehicle platform, buses, and so on. We have also in industrial, energy, LED lighting sector, aerospace, such as Boeing, medical, and government. Our technological roadmap, until now, we have released in 2020 a new sets of the SIG and DCB families semiconductors. And we are working on the next generations ICs, which will be with higher speed and advanced protocol interfacing within the next few years. These are part of our customers in the automotive, aerospace, industrial, and more. Our DC bus solution can be implemented and used in endless applications. It can be in a sensor actuator networks, in a smart lighting control, LED lighting control, energy control, smart grids, appliances, in solar panel, battery monitoring system, and of course, in vehicle networks, where we can replace the CAN and LIN networks, and in a bus network, when we can control the internal lights of the passenger, the bus lights, stops, brakes, and so on. Thank you very much for listening.